matter. We'll take a look at our air fuel when we're on the launch control. We'll take a look at what our boost is doing. If we don't come up on boost quick enough, we can make some tweaks and some changes in here. So let's fire it up and let's test it right here. We'll data log it too so we can play it back and take a look at what's going on here. So fire it up quick. So we have to be stopped, we have to be above 50% throttle, and we have to have our coolant temperature above 100. We're meeting all those thresholds, so if I just floor it right now, it should engage. Let me hit record here real quick, and let's test this out. So bring it up. All right, it hit about 10 pounds. Let's pull my headphones off quick. It hit about 10 pounds of boost. Let's play that back. It was a little slow to start to kick in, so we probably need a little bit more aggressive ignition timing to make it work. If we go to channels here, let's filter out all of our data and just look at engine RPM only. And we can also take a look at our map pressure here and overlay that in our graph here. We just need to find it. Again, a lot of data channels in here. It always takes me a second to find what I'm looking for. Engine RPM is one of the easier ones to spot. There we go, manifold pressure. So we can see what this was doing. So we started to get on, I started to get on to the limiter here. We can see we're at roughly 6,500. We can see we're building about 8 pounds of boost. As I stayed on it, we can see the map pressure went up to about 10. So it kind of settled its way out. Looking at that, and take a look at our spark timing and what it was doing. We can see that our spark timing was commanded at 0, even though the base was showing 26, 27 degrees. Again, the spark timing is absolute that it commands from the table. What we need to do, because we want to go and build a little bit more boost and build it quicker, we want to go in and pull some more timing out. So let's look at one other thing about our wideband. Our wideband is reading 13s. Notice our target's in the 11s. We need to add some additional fuel. So in our fuel correction, we're adding here about 10%. Let's add 25% fuel. We want to have our air fuel actual match our target. So we want these to be the same. So we need to add more fuel here in our launch control fuel correction table. We're not adding any fuel in vacuum. We're only adding it in boost here. And we're only adding it above the RPM that we're going to go in and actually activate this. So 5,000 and higher. We have it at 6,800. That's fine. Let's go into our spark timing. Let's go into our ignition advance. So this is where we need to be more aggressive with our timing. I'm going to go in here at 0, and I'm going to put it at negative 20 degrees. 5 pounds of boost, I'll put it at, let's say, negative 10. And then here, 10 to 16, I'll do it at negative, let's say. Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.